Welcome to Kaiju Kids
Club! My name's Pinky.
My name's Louie. And we are going to open
some video game surprises.
Mm-hmm.
So, in the comments down below, tell us your favorite video game. What's your favorite video game?
Minecraft.
Mine's Mario. Now let's get started. Which toy should we open first? I think we should go for the small one.
Yeah.
These are Animal Crossing toys. This one is Isabelle, and this one is Lolly. So, could you open it? Yes. So, see, there's a little seed. Push it down.
Oh.
There you go.
And I got my character. Huh. It comes with a stand too.
It's hard to see. We'll put the box in here, over here.
And next we can open this.
Wait, okay.
Oh, it's the biggest little Kirby. You can get this one, mystery, this one, or this one.
That you can get. They're so cute.
It's both of them. But it still goes in my bedroom. These are hard. Could you open this for me, please?
Yes. It's tape on them.
Oh. Please be the one I want.
Which one's the one you want?
Can I do this one?
This one. What if it was that one? I like this one. This one's adorable.
Yeah. And the people can come off, maybe. And the chocolate can come off.
Let's see what it is. Oh, it's in bubble wrap. Pop. It has orange in it.
It's maybe with one of the orange guys.
Oh, yeah, that one's the one I want. Let's see. Bubble wrap. Oh, you're right.
Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. The ones on the front means that's the one they are.
Oh. Here, let me take it out of the bubble wrap. It's like a bubble wrap bag. Okay. Look how cute.
I'm popping the bow right.
Don't do that.
I want to do.
Okay, put it back in. Put
I
it back in.
want to.
No more bubble wrap. Okay.
Then this one.
Let me open it. Wait, no, not that yet. Let's open this first.
Is it a noodle?
Noodle? No, it's a little cake.
No, it's spaghetti.
No! It's not spaghetti.
It's a cake.
In the comments down below, can you tell us what this is? Okay, let's open. Oh, it's so cute.
Look at Kirby. It just wants to eat
We'll move
it.
those out of the way.
Kirby wants to eat the chocolate on top of it.
Oh, look how cute that is. This stuff. It's getting in our way. Sorry. Move those over here. Okay. So, now we're going to open up Squirtle. So,
Squirtle. Man, you just took the tape so quick.
yeah. There was actually a tape. Whoa. Ooh. Oh.
That would happen to Squirtle.
Poor Squirtle. Squirtle. Squirtle.
Did you start a box?
Yes. Okay.
The video.
We're opening up the Pikachu Funko. It's a angry little Pikachu. Open it.
He's good at tape.
There was no tape. Oh, look at these. This one's so cute.
Oh, I have a mini toy of it.
You do?
Uh-huh.
Cool. Do you want this?
I can. Yeah, I want that.
Okay,
What is
good.
it?
I don't know.
Oh, it's a stand for it.
Oh, okay. I was about
It's
to call it
supposed to be
Kaiju.
on him. This is.
No. Okay, let's open up this LOL doll. It's a video game LOL doll. It's in an arcade machine. Isn't that cool? And it comes with a robot suit.
And a coin.
Yeah, it comes with a coin. Okay, so where do we start?
On top of it.
Yes. Let's pull. Pull! Pull. Oh, wait. Sorry. It won't come off.
No. Push.
Push the coin, I think. How do you... Oh, there you go.
See, the coin actually goes in it.
Oh, a coin actually goes in it. Is that cool?
Yeah. I think the coins were open.
Wow, it's like a real arcade machine. What's this?
There's something in it.
Open it. Open it.
It's maybe a coin.
Throw that there. What is it?
Maybe the coin. It's the coin.
It's a coin.
It's the coin. Yes. Look. Let me do it closer so everyone can see it.
Here, let me hold it for you. Put the coin in. Whoa!
Whoa! Did that?
Wow! Let's go look at it. Over here.
Ah, wow.
At that, people. Isn't that amazing?
Keep it.
How do you take it out, though?
Oh, can I say something? Oh, I know.
Whoa. I don't want to break it. Oh, okay, it comes off. That's good. Okay, we're going to take it out. Oh, gosh. This is so hard to take out. Oh, I got it out. Open it. Oh, there's a collector's guide. Open it. Open it. No, open this. I'll show them the collector's guide. So while he's opening that, let's look at the collector's guide. Wow, look at this picture. So you can collect all of these.
Behind it, look behind it. Those are all of them.
All of these. Okay. So let's open it up. Okay, let me help you.
This is so cool. We have to keep this.
Yes, we are keeping it. Oh God, this is so hard. Oh. It just fell off. Oh, you can take the doll out of it. Okay, let's try. I'm sorry, this is so hard to open.
No!
We'll be right back.
Okay, let's clean it.
Oh gosh, I hope we didn't lose any pieces.
We have to.
Throw or trash. Oh, okay. Whoa, look at that. Whoa. So many pieces come off. Wow. Look at that.
Where's the rest of his shirt?
That's the shirt.
Where's the other thing?
I don't know. I think that's all it comes with.
I thought it. Really? Let me see something.
Here.
Give me the clothes.
It comes with clothes, but where are the clothes? Oh, I found it.
And pants.
I found it, Ethan.
Give me the pants.
It's in these. Is that cool?
It has a mini pack. What's the other side?
Wow, it comes with a sippy cup,
Where is the pants?
a belt. Wow. Ooh, another page. Whoa, pants. Pants. A shoe. It's probably hard. I'll show it to you whenever we're done opening it.
Why are you ripping the video
Because
game?
you're supposed to.
But it looks
A
like
jacket.
you're playing it.
And then that. And then our shoe. Ugh. Sorry. Okay. So we have all the surprises out. It's pretty crazy because like, why is trash keep getting here? Just throw it on the floor. Just throw the trash away. Bye. We'll clean it up when we're done. He's trying to put the jacket on. So
You can see his diapers anyway.
his diapers and clothes on. Well, I took off his head. Oopsie daisy. Put it back on. Set back on. There.
I'll open the. Oh my
I got his
God.
head back on. No, we're not opening that yet. That's lost. Let's put him in his jacket and stuff. It's hard.
I can do it.
Wait. Okay. That's pants on. It's so weird that. There. Okay.
Shoes.
Good shoes.
Well, that's cool.
So, what's your favorite toy so far? Favorite toy?
The Kirby.
The Kirby. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I thought this was gonna be your favorite. Okay.
You can put
Wait, where's his belt thing? Oh, there's his belt.
I'm gonna play the video game. I'm gonna play this.
You just need to.
Yay! Oh, you see the controller?
It's so hard to put his like little bag on. There you go.
This is the key to open it.
Yeah, it's a little coin.
Yeah. Why was this on top of it?
I want to put this back on.
I don't. A video game guy. There's no playing video.
Let's read this instruction. So, it's just showing how to put it on. Blah, blah, blah. I thought he was color changer. Oh, he's a color changer.
Oh, that's cool.
He's a color changer. And he spits out water.
What?
Uh-huh.
Oh, I see the water.
Okay. Let's move all. Okay. Sorry, this is hard to put back on. Look at the little card. Put all these little pieces in there. Wait, where's the key? Give me the key. Okay. Put it here. Put the key up there. Put this little guy up here.
Look at him. It's mine, so.
Okay, put him up. Put him up here so we can open the next thing.
I'll just put him.
Put him. Lay him down. It's okay.
Then the last thing.
Move all you guys over here for the big thing. Move, little guys. Okay. The last thing. It's a OMG doll. It's also video game style. Okay, let's open it. Oh, his underwear was on the ground. I stepped on it. Okay, wait. What's this? Whoa!
I can do it.
Okay. Oh. How do you take... Ow, that hurts.
Scissors. Let's get the scissors.
No, wait. We'll be right back. Let's go grab
I want to cut
got
two.
the scissors. Oh, I got it off. Okay, let's open it. Okay.
Oh, I can do it.
Wait, I want to do it though. Let me do it. You have to pull it out. Help me pull. Wait, watch.
Uh-huh.
Whoa!
Did that just happen?
That.
Turn around.
Whoa!
Oh, it doesn't look like when it looks like this because it looks.
Look at this girl. Okay, let's go open her up.
What are these?
I don't know.
They're surprises.
Whoa, it's a jacket. Okay. Whoa.
Let me get some.
Wait, no, I want to do it. Oh, it's closing there. Wait, you're ruining it. Let's use our scissors to cut all these little pieces. Move, please, so I can cut them. I don't want to cut you. Oh, just show the camera this.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
Oh, look behind it.
What? Oh, it's
A dance thing.
yeah. I don't even know what it is. Okay, so let's open up the rest. It's just a little closing, guys. Look at this! A little mystery tape. Whoa. Whoa! What is this? Wow! Look at that! Should I give him?
It's the brand new Glasses.
There's also this water bottle.
Does it open?
Mm.
No. Yes, it does.
Cool.
Let's pull it.
Is it confetti? What? Why'd you just pull that? What does it do? What does it do?
I don't know.
I just clicked it. And
I
it's
want
a light.
to try.
Here, try it.
Oh. Oh, there's a button on top of it.
Uh-huh. I just noticed that. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Come on. Come back over here. Put it here.
Let's get all the rest out.
There's a giant hair coming in here.
And
Let's take out the doll. Here. Don't cut it. I'm scared for you to cut it. Don't cut it.
why? Because you think I'm going to cut the hair.
Yes. Okay, how? This is like, how do you get it out? Oh. Wow, her hair is crazy. No, you don't know. I have the little baby sister. We don't need it. We don't need it right now.
Okay.
This is about these new people that we are opening. Look at these shoes. What?
Yay.
You see her foot sticking up? And then you see her other foot stick up. Oh, there's...
You don't want to cut her belt.
Oh. Her hair. Oh. Oh my god. I can't get her hair.
Her hair went through it.
No, her hair is through it. Why though? Oh my god.
Oh,
I know why. I know why. There's things on it. Are you okay though? I'm not trying to ruin her. Oh, I can't. Okay. Pull. No, push.
Do you need a little help?
Wait.
What are these? Let me get them out.
You're gonna make me cut the hair.
What are those?
Okay. Take the hairbrush out.
Okay.
And I try to get the doll out. Oh, and throw it, you're gonna throw it, the doll. Sorry. Well, a stand. It's a stand. Okay, wait. Get out. Okay, stop. I'll do it. I don't want you to do it too. Here. Oh gosh, that would be so much easier. Now we have to cut this piece.
I'll pull this.
Pull it up. So I'll pull it up. Oh, I don't want to cut that piece of hair off. Okay.
Yeah.
Yay! I got the doll out.
Her bow is still here. And she comes with pockets
Oh, cool.
that don't open.
I'm trying to take this out.
What's in her pants?
You take it out. Take out the hair comb. Wow. Okay. See, her hair is so crazy, people. Her hair is like so long. I love this doll because of her hair. Her hair is so awesome. It feels so good too. Touch the hair. Okay. Wow. This feels. Wow. She looks so good. Look at her outfit. Wait, did I cut it? No, I didn't. Look at her outfit. Oh god. I'm going back. Yay! You got the hair comb out. Okay, we'll put it on stuff.
We should hair comb her hair.
Wait, there's more things. Oh. Okay. Oh no, I dumped out all trash. Oopsie. Okay. Take that. Bye! Bye! Okay. Now let's look at all this stuff. Okay. So, this is our doll. This is a little box with a mystery thing in it, which was, the mystery thing was this cool jacket.
And the glasses.
And these glasses. Wait, where'd the water bottle go? Where'd the water bottle go?
And
Where'd the water bottle go?
I'll find it.
Where'd the water bottle go?
Oh, I think I found it now.
You lost it! Oh, I found it.
No, I didn't. I just found it right there.
Okay, we got the water bottle, we got this paper, we got these glasses, we got a hair comb, we got a stand, we got this clothing thing, we got this book on how to dance, we got this cool jacket, and we got instructions on how to build.
And
instructions on how to build the stand. Well, wait. Is there something missing? There's something missing.
Oh.
I didn't take it out.
Well.
Come
And
here. Color changing our boy LOL doll from the arcade machine. You want to put it in? Put it in. Put its whole body in. Let's see. It's color changing.
Oh, where?
Look. Let go of it. Look.
His head?
Wait.
Where?
Oopsie.
He didn't take
Yeah, on his face, it's color changing. Look, his face is turning red. Isn't that weird? Let's put his face in it again. Wait, that was on his back. Look on his back.
Oh, I saw that always on his back.
Oh, it was. No, it's not his face. Is it supposed to? I don't know. It said it was a color changer.
Oh, take the pants off. Maybe it's the color changes in that. His head pops up easy.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, you're right. Oh, no, you're not right.
Look behind it then.
Oh, that's just weird. I wonder how it color changes.
His eyes?
No, his cheeks get red. See? Yeah.
Wait a minute. He drinks. Let's make him drink water.
No.
It just bubbled his mouth.
Oh, wait, I'm gonna do this. Here. Oh gosh, Ethan, do it. Put it in there. Squeeze. Oh!
It just did it!
This light that I came with, remember that? I found out what happens to the doll whenever you put it on her. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? And then you can see all of that on her hair. And look at my hat. Oh, I have an awesome hat. And my shirt. It's so cool. Here. And her accessories do it too. It's so cool. And her earrings I just put into it. Wow. She's like a glowing doll. Well, that's it.
Goodbye.
Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button for new videos. Bye!